Let's pray.
Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Mike back with another video with good old Betsy. And today, we're going to dive into that front end. So, hopefully, we don't make too much of a mess because there's a lot going on with this front end. But wish me the best of luck. I got my buddy Ant pulling back up, a.k.a. Bunger Breath. So, we're going to dive on in. I'm going to start cleaning up the shop a little bit. You know, you like how I said the shop. So, I'm going to clean up, get some stuff out of the way, get ready for the boy to pull up, and just sit back, relax, grab some popcorn, a little brew, and just post up on the couch. All right. We're back in action. Bunger Breath, popping around the corner. Ooh, perfect peephole. And we got a naked CBR, which, let's just say, I threw a battery in this thing. We may or may not have an open pipe, and I think Bunger Breath's going to do the honors. I don't remember if you need a clutch for this thing, but
Better find out.
ooh, look at that tail light. Hit a little rear brake for you, boy. Ooh, look at
busty,
that.
busty.
Damn,
Are you ready?
I think we're ready.
Oh God, let's pray.
God damn, man. We got blinkers too.
You'll spit some fire.
Yeah. Oh man. Damn, that sounds good, man. Jeez. Yes, sir. Just missed it. All right. So I guess we're gonna dive into this front end.
That we are.
Can
that
we?
are.
Are we able to steal one of these?
Steal one.
These
or
aren't stealable, right? Because they're like zip tied on.
They are zip tied.
Yeah.
I mean, you could undo the zip tie,
All
but
right. So we're gonna dive into this front end. I think it's gonna be very simple.
watch your mouth.
I think it's gonna be. Oh, I can. All right. Do we have a Felipe? Let me get a freaking Felipe, boy. I think the dash is just these two bolts.
Those two bolts. I think they're these two bolts.
The dash?
I'm taking the whole fuck. Oh, I gotta stop cursing.
You can curse. That's
Oh.
what. Beep, beep. Just throw a couple. Beep.
I'm taking the whole thing off.
Take it all off.
Like as in this whole thing.
Whatever you.
No, don't do that. No,
Oh,
no,
nice.
no, 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 don't do it. Don't do it. That's the whole bracket.
No, this isn't the whole bracket. This is what holds the dash onto
These four,
this.
Papa.
Yeah, I'm taking these off.
I'm taking the whole bracket off.
I know you are. I'm saying this has to come off regardless.
Yeah, you're yelling at me. I don't like it.
Oh, okay.
Don't put metal on the battery.
Yeah, don't do that. Don't do
do
the
that.
sillies.
Day by day, getting my way. Yeah,
This boy got a hit.
I'ma take it day by day. Can't let them get in my way. I do not play, baby. I'm shining through the day. Can't have it any other way. It's like I'ma take it day by day. Can't let them get in my way.
It's very
I do not
magical.
play, baby. I'm shining through the day. Can't have it any other way.
I've never seen something fit so nicely.
So nicely in your life. Wow, we.
Hold up, wait a minute.
I gotta show the boys.
Show your boys.
Whoa! Look at that, I got one good headlight.
I don't understand. Okay, ready for snappy snap?
Uh-oh, he's snapping it. We may have, let's just say, we might have...
Someone didn't do their job right.
We might have stripped something.
They stripped
in
it when
there.
they put it on.
Yeah, strippers. Goddamn Honda strippers. I knew Honda had strippers for fun. Come on, boy! Just don't break my dash, and that's all I care about. You're scaring me, though. Whoa!
See you later. I broke the dash. Okay. I'm just kidding.
Stinky!
You got that, Phillips?
Stinky! Brother, how do I see how fast I'm going now? Brother, what'd we do?
Play the guessing game.
Here you go, guessing game.
Oh, there it is.
Let me stand back. I gotta get a... Holy moly.
You got a stump bag, brother.
It looks like I got a naked bike. I just throw a little one little HID headlight up there and I think we're good to go. Holy schmackerel. That was a really naked bike. And a perfectly good dash. Nothing's wrong with it. We love that. We love that.
Put those
I
back.
don't have Ziplocs, but...
So these
We can do
are... What would we call that? Speedo bracket holder.
Speedo bracket, play with my cracket. It's so crazy. So crazy. Alright guys, so we pulled this whole front end off. We definitely did strip a bolt in the process, so that will be a whole nother adventure, but this is gonna kind of be where I'm gonna leave off today. I mean, I'm gonna clean it up a little bit, but in the process of taking this front end off, I found out that there's a mount right here on the radiator, and it bent, and now it's not sitting on the nipple right, so that seems like a fun thing to do. I'm gonna have to try and bend this back and sit it back on that nipple so this radiator does sit in place. I mean, I definitely took a nice bend on the side too. But other than that, I don't think the radiator should be leaking from anywhere. At least every time I ran it afterwards, it hasn't leaked. So, really hoping that that is not an issue. That's gonna be it. That's gonna be the end of this video. Like you guys seen, we ripped the front end off of the bike. We did a little cold start with no pipe on. That was kind of cool. Things sounded nuts. And yeah, I mean, we got ourselves set up in the front end so we can kind of, really all we're concerned about now is just getting the front forks off. So once I got the money saved up and I can buy the new front forks, we're gonna take these front forks off and call it a day. Once those front forks are off, it's really gonna be pretty smooth sailing from there. But we still got a long journey ahead of us. But like I said, that's going to be the end of this video. I hope you guys did enjoy it. Please like, comment, subscribe. I'm going to have to throw a poll up, see what you guys want to do for color on this bike. I'm not 100% sure. I'm kind of stuck between a couple colors, so I'll get those colors up and I'll get a poll for you guys, and maybe you guys can help me figure something out for this bike. But with that being said, I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.
Only life we live, not to mention, yeah, you know we got a kid. Yeah, let's talk about me and you. When we together, it's like I'm really see-through. I could be right next to you and not feel you. All of this arguing is unlike you. How did I end up with someone like you? What happened to us? When did life become such a mess? Can't remember living life with this much stress. Feel this pain up in my chest, I ain't got nothing left. Yeah.